right, so we got a 2017 GMC Acadia, and this is the Ecotech 4-cylinder engine. So we're gonna knock out an alternator on this thing today. So we'll start right here. We're doing the air box. We're gonna pull the whole thing out, okay? All right, so now we pull the air box out. And now you can see you gotta take the belt off. The tensioner is there. And then we'll start working on the alternator. Let's go ahead and take out our trusty 10 that I got from AutoZone, right? We're gonna disconnect the battery. Right. All right, so I'm gonna take the belt off now. Use a 1/2 inch. All right, so now we're gonna start taking the alternator off. It's a 13. All right, so now pull the cover out. Now here's the alternator here. We're gonna unplug the electrical. All right, so don't know if you guys can see, but it's a lock on it. You're gonna pull that, push that lock back, push the pin and pull it out, and then you got the other electrical that goes to the battery here. So we'll pull that out next. All right, so now that we got all the electrical off, we're gonna pull this thing out of here. Perfect. We good.